Embarking on a woodworking journey can be both exciting and daunting, especially for beginners. The vast array of tools, techniques, and project ideas can sometimes lead to overwhelm. However, one of the most rewarding approaches for novice woodworkers is to focus on scrap wood project ideas. Using leftover or scrap wood not only allows beginners to hone their skills, but also fosters creativity, resourcefulness, and confidence. One of the primary benefits of working with scrap wood is the financial aspect. As a beginner, the costs associated with purchasing high-quality materials can be a significant barrier to entry. Wood can be expensive, and investing in premium materials for initial projects might not yield the desired results, leading to frustration or discouragement. By utilizing scrap wood, beginners can experiment freely without the fear of wasting valuable resources. This approach allows them to focus on the learning process rather than worrying about the financial implications of mistakes. Moreover, scrap wood is often readily available. Many woodworkers accumulate leftover pieces from previous projects, and these scraps can be found in workshops, garages, or even local woodworking shops. By tapping into these resources, beginners can access a variety of wood types and sizes without the need to make a trip to a lumberyard. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of scrap wood project ideas you can make for profit as a beginner woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. This accessibility encourages experimentation, enabling novice woodworkers to try their hand at different techniques and styles without the pressure of sourcing new materials. When working with scrap wood, the emphasis shifts from perfection to creativity. Beginners often feel compelled to create flawless pieces when using new materials, which can stifle their creativity. However, with scrap wood, imperfections become part of the charm. The unique characteristics of each piece, such as knots, color variations, and grain patterns, can inspire creative designs. This freedom allows beginners to think outside the box and develop their personal style. The process becomes less about following strict guidelines and more about exploring innovative ideas, leading to a more enjoyable woodworking experience. Another advantage of working with scrap wood is the opportunity to practice essential skills without the pressure of producing a final product. For beginners, mastering techniques such as cutting, sanding, and joining can be challenging. By using scrap wood, they can practice these skills repeatedly on different pieces without the worry of ruining expensive materials. This repetition builds confidence and competence, enabling novice woodworkers to refine their techniques before moving on to more significant projects. The ability to experiment with various joints, finishes, and designs also lays a solid foundation for future woodworking endeavors. Creating small projects from scrap wood can lead to a sense of accomplishment. Beginners often seek immediate gratification from their efforts, and completing a project, no matter how small, can boost morale. Simple projects such as coasters, key holders, or decorative items can be completed in a short time frame, providing a quick sense of achievement. This feeling can be immensely motivating, encouraging beginners to continue exploring woodworking and gradually take on more complex challenges. Additionally, working with scrap wood allows for greater experimentation with tools and techniques. Beginners can familiarize themselves with different tools without the fear of damaging valuable materials. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing a deeper understanding of how each tool functions and the various techniques required for different projects. By exploring different tools on scrap wood, novice woodworkers can discover their preferences and strengths, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling woodworking journey. The environmental aspect of using scrap wood cannot be overlooked. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, repurposing wood scraps contributes to reducing waste. Beginners can take pride in knowing that their projects are environmentally friendly, as they are making use of materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. This awareness fosters a sense of responsibility and encourages a mindset of resourcefulness, which is valuable not just in woodworking, but in all aspects of life. Creating projects from scrap wood also offers opportunities for customization. Beginners can experiment with different designs and finishes, allowing them to create unique items that reflect their personalities. This customization extends beyond aesthetics. It also includes functional aspects. For instance, a beginner might create a custom storage solution tailored to their specific needs or preferences. This level of personalization can lead to a deeper connection to the projects, making the experience more meaningful. As beginners gain experience and confidence through scrap wood projects, they can gradually transition to more significant undertakings. The skills developed while working on smaller pieces will serve as a foundation for tackling larger projects in the future. This progression is essential for personal growth and skill development. Beginners will find that their early projects, often made from scraps, were not just practice, but valuable stepping stones toward more ambitious woodworking endeavors. Another compelling reason to focus on scrap wood projects is the potential for community engagement. Many woodworkers share a passion for sustainability and creativity, making scrap wood projects an excellent way to connect with others. Beginners can participate in local woodworking groups or online forums where they can share their creations, seek advice, and gain inspiration from more experienced woodworkers. This sense of community can be incredibly encouraging, providing a support network as beginners navigate their woodworking journeys. Moreover, sharing scrap wood projects can lead to opportunities for collaboration. Beginner woodworkers can team up with others in their community to create larger projects, such as community art installations or shared woodworking spaces. This collaboration not only enhances skills, but also fosters a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Working together on projects can lead to new friendships and partnerships, enriching the overall woodworking experience. As beginners explore scrap wood projects, they may also discover a passion for teaching others. Once they have gained confidence in their skills, they can share their knowledge with friends, family, or even local schools. Teaching others how to create projects from scrap wood not only reinforces their understanding, but also spreads the joy of woodworking. This cycle of sharing knowledge can contribute to the growth of a community of woodworkers, creating a positive impact on those around them. Well, there you have them. Our handpicked scrap wood project ideas you can make for profit as a beginner woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.